In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check someone's birthday on LinkedIn. This quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to look and what to expect, so you can confirm a birthday when the person has chosen to share it on their profile. First, open LinkedIn and make sure you're signed in so you can see your feed. Starting from the feed keeps everything consistent, whether you're on desktop or the mobile app. From here, click Home to land on the main homepage. This refreshes your view and brings the search bar and navigation into focus, which makes the next steps easier. Now use the search bar at the top to look up the person whose birthday you want to check. Type their name carefully, and if you see multiple results, use clues like their headline, company, or location to pick the right profile. Taking a second to confirm you've got the right person helps you avoid opening the wrong profile and having to start over. Once you've found the correct match, visit their profile by clicking their name or profile photo. This opens their public-facing profile page. On this page, look toward the top section near their headline and location for a link called Contact Info. This is where LinkedIn Groups details the person has chosen to share, and it's the most common place to find a birthday if they've added it. Click Contact Info to open the details panel. If the layout places it under a menu, you may see it tucked under a more or similar option. Still, select Contact Info there. In the panel that opens, look for a field labeled Birthday. If the individual has chosen to make their birthday visible, it will appear here, alongside other items like websites or profile links. If you don't see a birthday field, it usually means they haven't added it or they've limited who can view it. In some cases, you may need to be connected to the person to see certain contact details. A couple of quick tips as you check: be respectful of privacy and use this information thoughtfully. Avoid saving or sharing it without permission. If you're on mobile, the contact info link may be a small icon. The steps are the same. Open the profile, tap contact info, and review the details. And that's it. You've navigated from your feed to the person's profile and checked the contact info section for their birthday. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips and tutorials.